RealAgriculture.com's coverage of Agritechnica 2023 in Hanover, Germany is brought to you by Optimum Glide, a new canola trait technology from Corteva Agriscience.
Hi, I'm Bernard Tobin. Welcome to Agritechnica, reporting again for Optimum Glide, brought to you by Corteva Agriscience. I am here with Flavien Roussel from Naio. We know them as a robotic company, robots. We see your robots on the ground in Ontario, Haggerty Creek, one of your dealers out there. Flavien, tell us about your company. I know you've got 4 units that operate now, right?
Yes. So we have 4 different robots in our range right now. 450 robots are sold in the world right now and operating.
Right.
And so we have one first robot that is for market gardeners, so it's us. And then you have the Orio also for vegetables and row crops.
Right.
And then we have the range for vineyards. So we have a narrow robot, it is a crawler named Joe, really narrow. And then we have the TED, that is an arch, like a U, and a straddle robot, going from large vines.
Awesome. Now, a lot of developments on the robotics front these days. We're talking about fleets, we're talking about robots, getting them into row crops. You've got an announcement here about augmented autonomy for robots. Tell us about it.
Yeah, augmented autonomy is the first CE certified system about safety on robots that allows the operator to be at home or something else, of somewhere else. I mean, they can be in another field, but the robot will do all along and ensure the safety standards, so it won't hurt goods or people.
Right.
And what is great about augmented autonomy that is we offer time to farmers to maybe do more added value tasks than what robots can do, because they are mainly on basic tasks right now.
Right, so basic tasks, but you're at that point where you're sort of securing the security of robots. Once we get past that, we're going to have a lot of conversations about what they can do in the field. So that's a great announcement. Let's go forward a little bit. A lot of farmers wonder, when am I going to be able to get a fleet of robots in my field that can replace a 400 horsepower tractor and a big implement that's running over my field? Talk about where you are now and what's the path forward.
So right now we are on the first step. That means augmented autonomy is the beginning of a journey. And right now we are the first manufacturer to say we are liable of the safety of these machines. That means the farmer doesn't have to care if he follows the manual instruction. If there is a problem, we will be liable. And that means that we believe in what we've done with the risk analysis and how to provide it to farmers, saying that this field is okay for augmented autonomy, or this one not, or maybe half the field is okay. The next step will be crop safety, because robots are okay, but they don't have to destroy any crop. Maybe we could accept like 2 or 3%, that's okay. But the thing is, we need to make this step, and then the next step will be more robots in the field, doing more acreage on a day, and maybe competing with tractors. But maybe it's the next decade work.
Right. What about developments from a row crop perspective? A lot of corn and soybean farmers that are watching out there, big acreage crops. Do you see more robots pushing into that part of farming?
Yeah, it will, but the thing is, maybe we have to change a bit the mindset, and it's not being rude to farmers. It's like in Europe, and I guess in some areas in the West the same, like people were saying, okay, I go for a herbicide because I see weeds. But we don't care about seeing weeds. When you go with a robot and you have planted your crop, the day after you can go and get all the sprouts you can kill it first, thanks to the robot, even if it's wet. And that's the strength of the robot, is that they are lower weight than a tractor. So that means they can operate when tractors can't. So they can solve problems before problems emerge.
When they need to be solved.
Where they would need to be solved, but the actual machinery doesn't fit this need. So we bring solutions for that.
And we can eliminate that compaction we all fear, right?
For sure, we're going to help on that. I mean, we won't replace tractors. We won't replace full herbicides and everything, but we bring solutions to make things more sustainable, and I guess that all the farmers of the world just care about these things. Getting more sustainable, more profitable, and just make money and have a better living.
Yeah. Hey Flavien, some great insights. Great to catch up with you here at Agritechnica. Thanks for making some time for Real Agriculture.
Yeah, but thank you. You're welcome, and ask anything on social media or anything you can ask us.
Awesome, thank you.